सुनील अवसर केंद्रीय विद्यालय मलपुरम के शिक्षकों द्वारा समर्पित है ये शिक्षक दिवस कार्यक्रम गुरु देवो भव।
Teachers' Day is a great event held annually to honor and respect the contribution of teachers to children and society. The World Teachers' Day is held on October 5th. In India, we celebrate Teachers' Day on September 5th to mark the birthday of our former president, a prolific statesman, philosopher, and one of the greatest teachers in the world, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan.
विद्यालय सावधान, विश्व सावधान।
जगत्यां जगत् येन तत्येन भुञ्जीत आद्रधा कस्य सिद्धम् असतो मा सद्गमया तमसो मा
विद्यालय सावधान, विश्व सावधान, विश्व।
Light is a symbol of brightness and prosperity. May the darkness of ignorance be swept away by this bright light.
विद्यालय सावधान, विश्व सावधान। India is my country, and all Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country, and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers, and all my elders, and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and to my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind. विद्यालय सावधान, विश्व सावधान, विश्व।
Teachers' Day has come again, do-da-do-da-day. All running for solitude, do-da-do-da-day. A teacher is highly enthusiastic to celebrate this day when led by a good leader. A leader is one who lights the path to impossible and takes those who follow to great heights. It would be an injustice if we proceed an event without inviting our wings of flight, our pillars of strength, and our constant source of motivation. It's my privilege to welcome the man who does not require an introduction and is well known among all of us for his wisdom and his knowledge. Yes, our Honorable Principal, Mr. V. Santosh Kumar. Let me now request our Principal to address the entire KVM family on this auspicious day with his versatile speech. So please.
अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः. Guru is the one who removes the darkness of ignorance and brings the light of knowledge in life. Teacher plays an important role in everyone's life in molding their character and future. On the occasion of Teachers' Day, to commemorate the birth of Dr. Radhakrishnan, a great philosopher and statesman, I bow before that great lineage of teachers and salute all my colleagues. May God bless all to perform their duties perfectly to make this world a better
लक्ष्य प्राप्ति के लिए एक मार्गदर्शक का होना बहुत जरूरी है। वे हमारे गुरुजन हैं। इस पावन अवसर पर अपने गुरुजनों के चरण स्पर्श करते हुए शिक्षक दिवस के संबंध में अपने विचार प्रस्तुत करेंगे 12वीं आ के अभिषेक नायर आर।
शिक्षक और सड़क दोनों एक ही जैसे होते हैं। जहाँ पर हैं वहीं पर रहते हैं, मगर हमें हमारे मंजिल तक ज़रूर पहुँचा ही देते हैं। नमस्कार। हर साल हम 5 सितंबर को शिक्षक दिवस मनाते हैं। डॉक्टर सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्णन के जन्मदिन को ही हम शिक्षक दिवस मनाते हैं। वे एक राष्ट्रपति होने के साथ साथ महान अध्यापक भी थे। इसमें कोई संदेह नहीं है कि समाज में शिक्षक ही एक ऐसा व्यक्ति है जो आने वाले पीढ़ी को योग्य ज्ञान प्रदान कर कर उन्हें देश की उन्नति की ओर ले जाते हैं। देश के राजनीतिक नेताओं, सैनिकों, सरकारी अफसरों, डॉक्टरों, इंजीनियरों आदि में गुणवत्ता पैदा करने के श्रेय भी अध्यापकों को ही जाता है। देश के चरित्र निर्माण में जितनी भूमिका शिक्षकों ने निभाई है, उतनी भूमिका शायद और कोई नहीं निभाया होगा। हर शिक्षक लगातार अपना ज्ञान बढ़ाना चाहता है ताकि वे अपने छात्रों को अच्छे से अच्छे शिक्षा दे सके। वे अपने छात्रों के लिए प्रेरणा स्रोत और दिशा निर्देशक बनने के लिए लगातार प्रयत्न करते हैं। हम सब ये जानते हैं कि एक माता पिता बच्चे को जन्म देते हैं, मगर एक अध्यापक ही होता है जो उस बच्चे को सच्चे ज्ञान के मार्ग से एक सच्चा और आदर्श नागरिक बनाता है। हम उनके प्रयासों को नज़रअंदाज नहीं कर सकते। अंत में मैं इतना ही कहना चाहूँगा कि हमें शिक्षकों की सम्मान करनी चाहिए और उनकी मेहनत की कदर रखनी चाहिए। धन्यवाद।
Let's listen to the words of Biryakutti Madam.
Hi everyone. Teachers are the builders of the nation, shapers of the destiny and personalities of every student. With that being said, I wish you all a very happy Teachers' Day. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was a philosopher, scholar and politician who dedicated his life towards education and youth of the country. Dr. S. Radhakrishnan was an exemplary teacher and second President of India who was awarded Bharat Ratna, the highest civilian honor in the country. He was the only one who received around 150 honorary doctorates. He has brought glory to the nation all over the world. Today, on the birth anniversary of Dr. S. Radhakrishnan, we celebrate Teachers' Day in honor of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan and all teachers. I wish you all a very happy Teachers' Day. Thank you all. Stay home and be safe.
Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. गुरु ज्ञान को पैदा करता है, गुरु ज्ञान को बनाए रखता है, गुरु अज्ञान के अंधकार को नष्ट कर देता है। आज की ये सुबह कोई साधारण सुबह नहीं है। आज का ये वातावरण कोई साधारण वातावरण भी नहीं है। आज का ये दिन कोई साधारण दिन भी नहीं। जी हाँ, आज 5 सितंबर, आज के दिन की खासियत बढ़ाने के लिए हमारे साथ हमारी 12वीं कक्षा की छात्रा ईसा एन कृष्णन अपने भाषण के साथ तैयार है। मैं ईसा एन कृष्णन को अपनी प्रस्तुति के लिए आमंत्रित करती हूँ।
A very good morning to all. Respected principals, sir, teachers and my dear friends. Today we celebrate Teachers' Day, a day kept aside to honor the gifted soul who work every day to make sure that the future is bright for all of us. On this beautiful occasion, let us take the opportunity to convey our wishes to all our teachers who have given impeccable contribution in shaping us. Teachers' Day is celebrated on September 5th every year in India. September 5th is marked by the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, and the Teachers' Day is celebrated in commemoration of his birthday. He was the first Indian philosopher and statesman who was the first Vice President of India and second President of India from 1962 to 1967. He was a great scholar and an excellent teacher. Teaching is a very noble profession that shapes the character, caliber, and future of an individual. They help us to improve our natural talents. They also help us to develop confidence in our life. Teachers are our second parent. Teachers play a predominant role in influencing and inspiring us. I would like to extend my gratitude to every teacher for selfless service and dynamic support. We are thankful and grateful for all your efforts. I would like to thank Principal Sir, Sushma Ma'am and Jamisha Ma'am for giving me a golden opportunity to speak before you on this grand occasion. Thank you.
Happy Teachers' Day to all. Let me now invite Usman Sir to deliver a speech on the occasion of Teachers' Day. Usman Sir, please.
Good morning. Most respected Principal Sir, teachers and my dear students. Today we are celebrating Teachers' Day. Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th September on the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, one of the most renowned teachers of the whole world in the 20th century. Dr. S. Radhakrishnan, the second President of Indian Union, was a philosopher, a statesman, a profound thinker, an eloquent speaker, a hungry scholar, an innovative educationist, and a great humanist with an outstanding vibrancy in his creative flow. In 1962, Dr. S. Radhakrishnan told, "Instead of celebrating my birthday, it would be my privilege if 5th September is celebrated as Teachers' Day." Since then, our nation is celebrating 5th September as Teachers' Day. Today we know that teachers are not mere knowledge providers. They are also doing different roles, like a parent, like a philosopher, a guide, a friend, and a facilitator in the process of molding the future generation. So the teachers are the makers of future generation. Tomorrow's nation is molded in today's classrooms. Once, a wood merchant employed 2 woodcutters in his firm. Both of them were highly skilled and equally paid. But very soon, one woodcutter found that he is not getting the respect in his firm as the other friend is getting. So he asked the friend, why it is so? His friend asked him a question. When was the last time you sharpened your axe? Dear friends, in this globalized world and post-COVID scenario, our role has increased, or the importance of our role has increased. Our challenges have manifolded. A good teacher is a continuous learner, a keen observer, and an excellent listener. So, on this auspicious day, let me conclude with the words of Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. Teachers have to keep the lamp of civilization burning. I wish all of you happy Teachers' Day and all the very best. Thank you.
India is a vast country with a vast population. People differ from each other in various aspects. Despite of different diversities, there are bones of unity in India. These bones of unity may be located in a certain underlying uniformity of life as well as in certain mechanisms of integration. Songs are good platform to showcase this unity or integration. Teachers of Kendriya Vidyalaya Malappuram are here with a community song, a Kashmiri Geet. Let us enjoy.
İç son çaman, iç son vatan, iç son çaman, iç son vatan. İç son çaman, iç son vatan, iç son çaman, iç son vatan.
शांत सोन शाल मार लाल सार सोन ये उस हुर्ष हुल्ले कश्मी पुन बहार सोन निशांत सोन शाल मार लाल जार सोन ये तुक शुहुल शुहुल से कश्मी उन सहार सोन
चियाधनी सारे इस वतन जो दिल करार सोन
चियाधनी सारे इस वतन जो दिल करार सोन
चुना पर तकरान गिर लोल नार सोन चुना पर तकरान गिर लोल नार सोन
İç son çaman, iç son vatan, iç son çaman, iç son vatan. İç son çaman, iç son vatan, iç son çaman, iç son vatan. जो ताज महल अपनी सानी मोहब्बतों की शान, अजंग उप जलाल सानी अजमतों की निशान.
जो ताज महल अस्ति सानी मोहब्बतों निशान अजंद उस जलाल सानी अस्मतों निशान
गठन अंदर ती धोब चोंग मुहब्बतों निशान गठन अंदर ती धोब चोंग मुहब्बतों निशान ही मंदेवाय तंची रूफ अस्ति ऐस्करान ही मंदेवाय तंची रूफ अस्ति ऐस्करान
इच सोन चमन इच सोन वतन इच सोन चमन इच सोन वतन इच सोन चमन इच सोन वतन इच सोन चमन इच सोन वतन इच सोन चमन इच सोन वतन इच सोन चमन इच सोन वतन
इच सोन चमन इच सोन वतन इच सोन चमन इच सोन वतन.
On this auspicious day, let us remember all great teachers who have helped us to become what we are today, the ones who gave us the wings to fly.
I hope all of you enjoyed the program. On my personal behalf and on behalf of all members of Kendriya Vidyalaya Malappuram, I thank all those who worked and helped to bring about this program. Wishing you all a great day ahead.
Thank you.